Hi, I'm Dave Hostetter, curator of the planetarium at the Lafayette Science Museum in Lafayette, Louisiana. This is Acadiana Skies. Welcome to you. We are taking a look at the morning skies this week. It's Monday, April 13th. Let's take a look at what's going on in the morning sky starting with tomorrow morning on April 14th. When you look over there about 5:15, there are 3 planets to see. Jupiter will be very bright, very easy to spot. It'll be the brightest thing in the pre-dawn sky by far. Then there's Saturn, which will be as bright as a bright star, and Mars, also as bright as a bright star. So we have 3 planets over there, and some people will notice that they seem to be lined up, and that shakes people up sometimes. They wonder what's going on, and it turns out that's normal. The planets all lie along a line that's called the ecliptic. This is approximately the plane of the planetary system of our solar system. The planets are always on or near this ecliptic. So having them in a line like that is absolutely normal. They are like that literally every day. Sometimes it's more noticeable than others. When you get 3 of them kind of in a group or spread out across the sky, it's a little bit more noticeable than at other times. But certainly nothing to worry about or get excited about, but it is a very pretty thing to see, whether it's in the morning sky or the evening sky. In this particular case, let's take a look at what this will be like with a pair of binoculars. I'm going to put on a marker that indicates a binocular view. Now, these are pretty wide field binoculars. Everybody's binoculars are different. Some are a little wider than others. But if you have wide field binoculars, you may be able to see Jupiter and Saturn in the same view. And that is always a cool thing. If you get very lucky and hold your binoculars very, very steady, you might even see one of Jupiter's moons. So those two are going to be right there together. But not far away is the moon. Just a little more than a half moon. And watch what happens over the next couple of mornings. If we move to April 15th, the moon is going to be right there very close to Saturn in the sky. And of course, much closer to us than Saturn is. But they are going to be in the same direction as seen from Earth. And if you are lucky and have just the right kind of binoculars, you might be able to get all 3 of them just barely into the same view. And that really is kind of a cool thing to be able to see. And then by the 16th, the moon will have moved on as it orbits the Earth and will be over there not too far away from Mars. It will continue to change its position every night and be a very thin, waning crescent moon rising just before the sun by the 17th. So this is definitely something worth taking a look at. And I would encourage you to go out and maintain the social distances that you need to maintain and all that type of stuff. But get out there just before dawn and take a look at those 3 planets and the moon this week of April 13th. It's going to be a really pretty thing to see, and I hope you'll be able to take a look at it. Thanks for being with us. Be careful out there, but go out and enjoy the nighttime sky and the morning sky.